Having an LLC doesn't automatically mean your estate plan is done. And having a trust doesn't mean your business is protected. So let's clear up one of the most misunderstood moves in estate planning. Should your LLC be owned by your revocable living trust? This question comes up constantly with entrepreneurs and small business owners. And the honest answer is it depends on what problem you're trying to solve. Today, we're breaking down when putting your LLC into a revocable living trust is smart planning and when it's just paperwork without purpose. So, what actually changes? When an LLC is placed into a revocable living trust, the ownership interest changes, not the business itself. The LLC still operates the same way. The EIN stays the same. Your vendors, bank accounts, and contracts don't suddenly reset. The trust simply becomes the owner of your membership interest. So what's the real benefit? Continuity. There's no probate for the business. If you pass away and your LLC is owned by your trust, the business avoids probate. That means no court delays, no public filings, and no unnecessary downtime. Then you have incapacity planning for entrepreneurs. If you're injured, ill, or otherwise unable to act, your successor trustee can step in. This allows payroll, contracts, and operations to continue without waiting for a judge. Then you have clean succession instructions. A trust lets you define who controls the business, who benefits financially, and what happens over time. That especially is important if family members are involved, or if someone should inherit ownership and others shouldn't. So where do business owners get tripped up? Well, operating agreements are not optional. Many LLC agreements limit ownership transfers, even into a trust. If you skip this step, you can accidentally violate your own government's documents. Then you have partners that change the equation. In multi-member LLCs, transferring your interest into a trust may require consent or it could trigger buy-sell clauses. This is not something you want to discover after the fact. Your trust does not automatically equal asset protection. And this part matters. A revocable living trust does not shield your LLC from lawsuits or creditors. If protection is the goal, that's a different strategy involving entity structure, insurance, or irrevocable planning. So how do you do it the right way? Well, a proper setup usually includes an assignment of membership interest, an updated operating agreement language. Then you have clear trustee authority provisions. Your details matter here, especially for your businesses. Putting your LLC into a revocable living trust can be a powerful move for continuity and clarity for your business. But it only works if it's done intentionally and in coordination with your other business documents. If you're an entrepreneur building an estate plan that includes a business, make sure the strategy matches the reality. At my firm, Fortitude Financial, we help business owners align their LLCs, trusts, and long-term plans so nothing breaks when life happens. If this video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.